Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how you can create your own Sui wallet. So here, just go to your browser, to your preferred browser, and just search on Sui Wallet, and then click on the Chrome Web Store extension, and then here, make sure you add this to your browser, add extension, then we wait. And then it will drag us here, sign in with your preferred service. I'm going to choose my Google account. You can log in with Twitch sudo, and I will log in with my main account, with my main Google account. Okay, there we go. I understand. And there you go. You have easily created your Sui wallet. It was that easy, guys.